Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be playing some 1.build.gg, I think what it's called. And this is like, it's so clean and stuff. I think this is better than 1v1.lol. I'm just practicing building and stuff, because since Fortnite is down until tomorrow, so I'm just playing this off-brand version for now. But then tomorrow, Fortnite is gonna be back up. The battle pass is insane. Yo, there's like leaks, and yo, it's insane. Like, and you guys cannot ask me for clips and stuff. I mean, for what's in it, because just go check it out yourself. Search up Chapter 3, Season 1, Battle Pass in YouTube, and then you'll see it. So, okay, I'm gonna do some Zone Wars. What should I change my name to? I'm gonna just change it to 7. I'm just gonna do that. And I'm gonna change this. Wait, there's late game Zone Wars? What the heck? There's realistic 1v1, there's box fights? Plus Zone Wars? Yo, play this until tomorrow. Because in NA East, I am in the East. So, my thing will be up by 10 a.m. East. So, I just got this. Okay, now he just left. So, I'm the only person waiting for this. Can I get an amen? There's 48 people in the lobby. So, should I just change it? What should I change it to? There's Wild West almost. Should I just change it to like a practice map or something? Box fight. I'm a free build. Yeah, I'm just gonna free build. Oh, there's 2 people? What the heck? Yeah, there's 2 people. Oh my god. And he fell. I use my side buttons, but because I'm not used to pressing like the 1 and 2 and stuff. But if I press like the 1 and 2, I mean the side buttons, it'll take me back, so, and it won't save, so I'm trying to hit a clip. Nope. Okay, I'm just gonna build back up. Too. I'm so used to hitting 3. And only knows how to do 90s. My team's still right there. And my pickaxe is not Z. It just set that for me. I'm going to change it to tab in a second. I have a habit of pressing. What? How? And I'm playing with edit on release because that's what I do on. No way! I almost got that on, bro. I almost clipped him on. I literally almost clipped him on freaking this game that I don't ever play. Can this guy chill? Yo, my mouse pad's about to fall off. Oh, shoot. What man you thought? Man's hitting me for the littlest damage ever. My man's all about to say what? He's not hitting any of the shots. He actually blinked me. He's just building random builds at this point. Man is missing all of his shots, and he's building all this, and he's missing all of them. Like, bruh, you still missed that? Okay, finally. Oh my god. Okay. Bye guys.